Okay, so you have the picture frame. What you're gonna do is open up the back. There's just these little things, you know, traditional. Open it up. Okay, so once the back is open, most time there is a piece of cardboard in there, so you're gonna wanna hold on to that. So take out everything else, including the glass that is in there. So now your hand can go right through it because there's nothing in there. I would suggest putting back in that piece of cardboard. That was just like a holder. If it's not there, you know, you could just cut a piece of cardboard out, and then I would close it and I would just shut one side. Then you could turn it over and you're ready for painting. If the glass doesn't come out, you just have to tape around the edges and then put like newspaper or something in here, like a penny saver or something like that, so that it doesn't get on the glass. But in this case, it was super easy, so let's get into this. Okay, so putting down a piece of cardboard or paper underneath these would be great, but this wood is just the plywood, so I can just go over this, and we're gonna put a floor over this, so it doesn't really matter. So, yeah, if you know, I'd give it a lot of room on the sides if you guys were going to put a little bit of paper on the sides, because it's spray paint, so it gets all over the place. But make sure that your frames are relatively clean. You don't have to go crazy cleaning it, but just make sure there's like no dust or anything, because it will get stuck to that. So don't mind my house. It is literally under construction, and that's why I can do it in this room. That's what I'm using. Okay, so let's just get into this. So you're gonna wanna shake the can. Give it a good shake. And then start spraying. Now you see why the cardboard is underneath it. You want to make sure you get on the insides of these and also on the outside. And you also want to get on these inner corners. Now we let it dry. This is what it used to look like. And on to the next. Okay, it's been about 2 hours since I did these. They are completely dry, and I had the door open just because the smell gets super strong when you're inside the house. But just to show you guys, they are dry, they are beautiful, there's no unevenness on them. They look great.